For today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the myriapods. So what is a myriapod? The myriapod comes from the Latin words myrios and pous. Myrios meaning countless and pous meaning foot. So these are arthropods with many legs. And this is further divided into four classes. The class Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Pauropoda, and Symphyla. And we are going to discuss each class in the succeeding slides. First is the class Chilopoda. This class is commonly known as the centipedes, and they have a dorso-ventrally flat body with distinct external segmentation. It also has a distinct body region, which is the head and the trunk. The head bears a pair of antennae, mandibles, and two pairs of maxilla. This is the mandible. So the trunk is from this segment up to the posterior end. And usually it has 15 or more pairs of legs, with the first pair modified and greatly enlarged to form a five-segmented poison claw called forcipule. So this is the forcipule or the poison claw. When you zoom it out, you'll see the different parts of this forcipule. This is the coxosternite, and this is the trochanteric prefemur, followed by the femur, the tibia, and the tarsungulum or the apical claw. The next class is the class Diplopoda, or commonly known as the millipedes. The external segmentation is evident, but tagmosis is not pronounced. The head is distinct and is followed by a segment enlarged dorsally called as column. This column resembles those segments of the trunk. The trunk is composed of the thorax and abdomen. However, the thorax is poorly differentiated from the abdomen. But one way to tell them apart is by looking at them closely. As you can see in this figure, the thorax is a three-segmented body region, with each segment having only a pair of legs, while the abdomen in this figure, each segment contains two pairs of legs. The next class is the class Pauropoda. These are minute arthropods that live in soil and leaf molds. They measure about 0.5 to 2 millimeters in length. The head bears a large branched antenna. These are the branches of the antennae. And mandibles and two pairs of accessory jaws or maxilla. They also have a pair of vibration-sensitive organs called pseudoculi instead of having eyes. So the body regions consist of partially fused, 11 partially fused segments with 9 pairs of legs. The last class is the class Symphyla. So this class is commonly known as the garden centipedes or the pseudocentipedes. So they have a dorso-ventrally flat body like with centipedes with distinct external segmentation. However, these are soft-bodied arthropods ranging from 2 to 9 millimeters long. It is delicate, white, and soft-bodied. The head have no true eyes, but they have an antenna, three pairs of mouth parts, which consists of the mandibles, a pair of long maxilla, and a fused second pair of maxilla that forms the lower lip. The adults usually have 15 to 22 body segments and with 11 or 12 pairs of legs. And they also have a prominent paired cerci.